Welcome, guys. So let's talk about some of the things that are actually happening in the cryptocurrency space and how they actually affect people and how they could possibly affect the industry. Now, I have not really given my own take on why the cryptocurrency market is actually falling. But I will do a video on that, and maybe some of the reasons I think, not these are the reasons, but some of the reasons I actually think about. So, like you can say, this is possible scam at South African investment group leads to 50 million loss. So some persons actually invested in, you can see over 27,000 people from different parts of the world, totaling $50 million in crypto assets has been stolen. This is called ICO lending platform. So these are platforms that are building upon Bitcoin or whatsoever. The Bitcoin model. So if you happen to open any of these websites, one of the things you will see most times, okay, they talk about lending that you could be earning 55.8%. Then you could go through that white paper and know that you don't see a team there. All that is being said is money and all that. So I have actually tried to warn you guys to stay away. And like I tell people, it's very, very essential you get knowledge before you actually proceed. So the first thing we're talking about today is a titanium hack. So there are many questions as to why Titanium lost 16 million of their coins and how they have to fork the system. So these are some of these stuffs that are actually going on within the cryptocurrency space. Inside us, as you can see with Coinbase, inside us trading and all that. These are things. Though one of the things I believe is there are many cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrencies are very backward. Blockchain is actually advanced, but when it comes to cryptocurrency, there are many drawbacks. One of the drawbacks is like customer experience is a very, very poor thing in cryptocurrency. Not from the scams to just the purchases or exchange of cryptocurrencies. It's a very big hassle. So that is one of the problems, the titanium hack. And then another thing again is Electroneum mining. So Electroneum, they actually released what they call a mobile mining. So it's been a subject of debate within the crypto community. I think one of the things that happens within the crypto community is that there is this fraud and there is this hate in the community. And people who don't even know what is being talked about and they just come and start talking. So even the CEO explained what the mobile mining is all about. What is mining? Mining is very simple. Mining is an incentive for doing something. That is how I define mining. Whether if the thing you're doing is to secure the system, it's called mining. If maybe for example you are using a platform like storage, where you store your file on the Pixie storage like this, you store the file. If you are able to retrieve the file, there are incentives for retrieving the file and others. So there are many things. So if Electroneum says they are actually doing mining, the question that should be asked is, what kind of mining are they doing? Just mobile mining, just simulation, giving people this stuff for using this stuff. So you want to let's see this video.
20 years plus, and so I was maybe it's not natural, but I was naturally, as far as I was concerned, interested in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is awesome, right? So I was dabbling around, and I thought, you know what this needs is to go mobile. Cryptocurrency is all about huge mining rigs, and it's quite inaccessible by the average person. If we could get this onto a mobile phone, this would make it happen. So that's really how the idea of Electroneum started.
talking about mobile mining, we have a lot of PC enthusiasts. They build their own mining rigs. They know that they need a lot of power to be able to mine cryptocurrency. And when you hear mobile, that's not power enough. Can you tell me a bit more how it actually works when you talk about mining on the phone?
Yeah, of course. So when we first set out, or when I had the first sort of idea that I wanted to take this mobile, the first thing we did is we sat down and we wrote an app for an Android device that actually did mine a blockchain. And it did what you'd expect it to do, melted really. It was too hot, used up the battery really fast, used up a ton of bandwidth, and our blockchain was only small, but it was still downloading the full blockchain. It was a bit of a disaster, so I almost canned the project. And then I thought, well, what is it that people mine for? Why do they mine? Most of them are not mining because they want to be part of the full nut.
So you could listen to what you said. You think people are investing in mining rigs or doing cloud mining because they want to help secure the network? Oh, they want to make money, and for them to make such money, they have to do a task.
No, and they want to have a copy of the blockchain. Most of them are mining because they want to earn some cryptocurrency. So it's like, well, hold on, why don't we just pre-mine out some coins? So we've still got coins in our blockchain because our blockchain is decentralized, and those coins get emitted to miners just as normal people's coins, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, proof of work. But what we did is we took another bunch of coins and we took them out in the first block, and those coins sit in a stack of wallets, and we just issue them down to the mining experience. So the phone is actually only doing a little API call once an hour, just say, hi, I'm here. Hi, I'm here. And when he does that, we say, thanks very much for being part of the project. We're going to award you some coins for being part of the project. So it's a mining experience. We don't hide that from anyone. It is designed to grow our brand and to make people go, oh, I'd quite like to try some cryptocurrency. They press a button on their phone and they get some cryptocurrency. So we're effectively airdropping cryptocurrency to people in a mining experience.
Okay, when people get something, they're gaining cryptocurrency by using the app. What are they competing with themselves? What are they putting to the table, the user?
Yeah, well, the user's initially just bringing themselves. So there aren't many cryptocurrencies with many users. Even the biggest cryptocurrencies, we all know what they are. Bitcoin's maybe got 10 million, maybe 12 million users. And when I say users, they bought some and they hold it. So most of the cryptocurrency space is small. It's nearly it's all dominated by speculators who just want to trade it and hold it. Nobody's really taking cryptocurrency out to become something that people use to spend every day. Something that really is a medium for work. So I've done a little bit of work or put some effort into something, and now I want a medium of exchange, which is how money started. So what we're doing is we're getting users on board by giving them a little bit of cryptocurrency. Then they're going to want to spend that cryptocurrency. So we're doing deals with other people. At the moment, telco operators, and they're going to say, oh, if I take Electroneum from these people, then my ARPU, my average revenue per user, can go up, and I'm more likely to keep that user because I've made it easy for them to do a transaction because we are in the...
Okay, that is just a little about the Electroneum and all that. So I think I was explaining some of the reasons why many ICOs are going to fail. If you've not seen the video, you should check it up.
Okay, guys, so welcome to my channel.
The reasons why so many ICOs are going to fail is tech is good, but tech is not good enough. And then moving on, we talk about Coinbase inside trading. That. Let's talk about the free launch. So recently there have been some things that are actually happening in the crypto space, such that Vitalik have to change his have to make some adjustment to his Twitter handle, where people, so he will just maybe write something and someone with almost a similar name will come up and say, I am giving away such and such amount of Bitcoin, just send such and such amount of I'm giving away such and such amount of Ethereum. Send such and such amount of Ethereum to this wallet. So someone is saying, he is giving away 0.4 Ethereum. No, send 0.4 Ethereum, and it's going to give you, for every amount you send, it's going to give you. So if you send 0.4 Ethereum, it's going to give you times 10 of your immediately. And there are people who will do it, and someone will write it, And then other people start flooding the group and flooding the Twitter page and like writing, yeah, I just received my Ethereum. Thanks Vitalik a lot. Listen. Avoid the free lunch. That is why when you go on the website and they tell you maybe they're telling you that we're offering you a book. Enter your email to actually download the book. The question I ask myself most times is, can't I download this book without entering my email? Why are you manipulating me? Why are you not telling me? Just be plain that you want to take my email so that you can follow me up with adverts or something that is helpful, rather than just say all that is needed is just my email. So you want to be very careful with the free lunch. I told you in the cryptocurrency space, there are things you must understand. For you to successfully invest, you have to understand the technology, either cryptography or maybe a little bit of computer science, how the internet works and all that. You have to understand psychology. You have to understand when a person is actually manipulating people and all that, and how to manipulate people so that you don't get manipulated. And then you have to understand business or economics. So all these stuffs, they function together. And then another thing again is the ICU madness. That's one of the things I want to talk about. So listen, there are many YouTubers who are going out there, or people who are just talking about this platform, and all that or invest and you're going to make a lot of money. Nobody can actually guarantee that. So you want to be very, very careful. ICOs are not a way to actually make a quick money. They will only be a way to make a quick money. There is no quick way of making money. It is making informed decisions, very informed and intelligent decisions, and it is being patient with what you've actually invested. You cannot plant a tree today and then expect to grow the tree tomorrow. Expect fruits from the tree tomorrow. No, you have to. It has to take time. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is the YouTuber screwing up. Now, I tell people, how many subscribers can you see here? 276. I'm responsible for 276 persons as at today, 6th March 2018. I want to be very, very careful what I bring before the people. So you want to be very, very careful who you listen to in the space. When you see a person make a video, you go through some of their videos to see what they've actually talked about, what they actually have to offer. You go through their playlist. If they have playlists, you listen to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, and then before you subscribe, don't just go out there and start listening to every person you don't know anybody there and just listen to. It's gonna ruin you. So avoid a free lunch. Be very careful of the YouTubers you listen to. When you invest in ICOs, make informed and intelligent decisions. And then all these are news. These are advice. So have a very good day, guys.